Okay, so here we have some children and they've each got a jug with some water in and they would like to know the capacity of the pot. So how much water the pot can hold until it is full. Okay, so the children are going to add their water one at a time to find out the capacity of the pot, just like we have just worked out the capacity of the bottle. So how many glasses will fill a bottle? We're now going to work out how many jugs will fill the pot. Okay, so the first girl has added her water to the pot. So that's 1 jug. Now the boy's added his water, so 2 jugs. The next jug has been added, so that's 3. The next jug, 4. The next jug, 5. The next jug, 6. And we can see that the pot here is full. But there's something wrong here. Did you notice it as well? Why is this incorrect? Why do 6 jugs not fill the pot? Could you pause the video and have a think for me? Okay, yeah, too. Well, did you manage to spot the error here, the mistake? Well, yes, you're correct. Look, each of the jugs are a different capacity, aren't they? They're all different sizes. So therefore, we cannot use them to measure the capacity of the pot. Now, were there any other mistakes that the children made? Yes, you're right. Each of their jugs had different volumes. So again, the fact that they had different capacities and the jugs had different volumes in them, we cannot use them to accurately measure the capacity of the pot because the jugs are not equal. So therefore, let's change this error and see if it is still correct. Okay, so this time we have got the children again, and they have got the same jugs with the same capacity. Okay, all of the jugs are the same. And look, they've all got the same volume this time as well. They're all to the final line, okay? They're all full. So therefore, let's find out the capacity of the pot. So the first girl has added her jug of water. The second boy has added his jug. The next child has added their jug. So we've got 3 jugs so far in the pot. The next jug has been added. So that's 4 jugs in the pot. Then 5 jugs in the pot, and look, oh, the pot is completely full. So therefore, there's still 1 girl who has her jug of water, but it is full, so we're not going to add that because we know the capacity of the pot. We have managed to fill the pot with 5 jugs. Okay, so there we go. Well done for spotting those errors, and we were able to accurately measure the capacity of the pot. Okay, so now we have a new question. So the question asks, how many jugs of water does it take to fill a fishbowl, a bucket, and a pot? Okay, well, let's find out. To fill a fishbowl, we need 3 jugs of water. Okay, so the capacity of the fishbowl is 3 jugs of water. Now, what is the capacity of the bucket? Well, the capacity of the bucket is 12 jugs of water. So it takes 12 jugs of water to fill the bucket, and it takes 6 jugs of water to fill the pot. Okay, now we're going to use this information now to answer some questions. So here's our first question. We know that 3 jugs of water fill a fishbowl, 12 jugs of water fill a bucket, and 6 jugs of water fill a pot. So how many fish bowls does it take to fill a pot? Well, we can see there that 3 jugs of water fill a fish bowl and 6 jugs of water fill a pot. So how many fish bowls are we going to need to fill the pot? If 3 jugs of water fill 1 fish bowl, how many fish bowls are we going to need to fill the pot? Well, we are going to have to work out 3 multiplied by something equals 6. So how many 3s do we need to make 6? Because we've got 3 jugs of water in the fish bowl, and we know that 6 jugs of water fit in the pot. So 3 multiplied by something equals 2. Well, I know that 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6, okay? Because I know that 3 plus 3 equals 6. So therefore, it takes 2 fish bowls to fill the pot because each fish bowl has 3 jugs of water in it, and we know that the capacity of the pot is 6 jugs of water. So therefore we need 2 fish bowls to fill the pot. Okay, 3 plus 3 equals 6. So well done if you managed to spot that one with me. Okay, so now it's your turn. How many pots does it take to fill a bucket? So you can see that the pot has 6 jugs of water in it, and the bucket has 12 jugs of water in it. So if there's 6 jugs in the pot, how many of those pots are we going to need to fill the bucket? Okay, pause the video now and have a think. Okay, year 2, so let's go through this one together. But as I said, we know that 6 jugs of water are in the pot. That's the capacity of the pot. Now, how many 6s are in 12? 6 multiplied by what equals 12? Let's think. Well, how many 6s? Well, I know that 6 add 6 equals 12. So that means that double 6 is 12. So that also means that 6 multiplied by 2 equals 12. So you need 2 of the pots to fit in the bucket, okay? So it takes 2. 2 pots with 6 jugs of water in each will fill the bucket that can fit 12 jugs of water. So well done if you got that one correct. So now it is your turn. You have got 2 resources. So the first resource, has questions that are similar to the ones that we've just done together, okay? So that's called Year 2 Maths 1st of July Resource 1. Once you finish that, please have a go at the problem solving resource, which is Resource 2. Now, as normal, there are 2 types of questions on this resource. We have the blue questions, which are slightly easier, and the orange questions that are slightly more challenging. So you choose the questions that you would like to do, okay? Well, have a lovely rest of your day, Year 2, and I'll see you in our next maths lesson.